morning, students. It is our 8th English class. Today I am going to teach you the poem Trees Are the Kindest Things I Know. Unit number 1, poem number 3. Open your books, page number 12. The name of the poem is Trees Are the Kindest Things I Know. Written by Harry Bain. There are so many activities. Before reading the poem, there is one activity, chit-chat activity. There are some questions. When do you receive gifts? This is the question. Answer is that according to me, I receive gifts on my birthday. It is my own answer. But your answer will be different. You can say your answer. The second question, do you like to give gifts? According to me, yes, I like to give gifts. You also say yes or no. From whom do you get gifts? This is the third question. I get gifts from my family members and friends. Now I will read the poem. Look, see in your books on page number 12. Trees are the kindest things I know. This is the title of the poem written by Harry Bain. Trees are the kindest things I know. मला माहित आहे झाडे सर्वात दयाळू आहेत. Trees are the kindest things I know. They do not harm, they simply grow and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among their boughs. The poet says that trees are very kindest. He says that trees are our friends. They do not harm anyone. Only they simply grow. ते कुणालाही हानी पोचवत नाहीत. ते फक्त वाढतात. And spread a shade for sleepy cows. आणि थकलेल्या गायींना सावली देतात. And gather birds among their boughs. Here boughs means branches. Boughs means branches, फांद्या. आणि त्यांच्या फांद्यामध्ये पक्ष्यांना गोळा करतात. Gather birds among their boughs. They give us fruit in leaves above and wood to make our houses of. पहा, ते आपल्याला पानामधील फळे देतात आणि घरे बांधण्यासाठी लाकूडही देतात. They provide wood to make our houses and leaves to burn on Halloween. Halloween means festival in western countries. पाश्चिमात्य देशातील सणाचं नाव आहे हॅलोवीन. And in the spring new birds of green. हॅलोवीन उत्सवाच्या रात्री जाळण्यासाठी या पानांचा उपयोग होतो. And leaves to burn on Halloween म्हणजे हॅलोवीन सण आहे, उत्सव आहे पाश्चिमात्य देशामध्ये. त्या उत्सवाच्या रात्री बर्न ऑन जाळण्यासाठी उपयोग होतो. अँड इन द स्प्रिंग न्यू बर्ड्स ऑफ ग्रीन. स्प्रिंग वसंत ऋतू. स्प्रिंग मीन्स वसंत ऋतू. वसंत ऋतूमध्ये नवीन पालवी देतात. दे आर द फर्स्ट when days began to touch the beams of morning sun. दिवसाच्या सुरुवातीला ते पहिले असतात. झाडे पहिले असतात, सूर्याला पहिल्यांदा पाहतात. They are the first when days began. When sun rises, trees see first. And in the spring new birds of green. त्याचबरोबर टू टच द बीम्स ऑफ मॉर्निंग सन. सकाळच्या कोवळ्या किरणांना स्पर्श करतात. दे आर द लास्ट टू होल्ड द लाईट वेन इव्हनिंग चेंजेस इन टू नाईट. ते प्रकाश धारण करणारे शेवटचे आहेत जेव्हा सायंकाळचे रूपांतर रात्रीमध्ये होते. and when a moon floats on the sky they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Trees are the kindest things I know. आणि चंद्र आकाशात असतो त्यावेळी झोपी असलेल्यांना अंगाई गीत गुणगुणतात. फार वर्षापूर्वी लहान मुलांना अंगाई गीत म्हणत होत्या पहा. तसे ट्रीज आर द काइंडेस्ट थिंग्स आय नो. कवी म्हणतात, द पोएट सेज दॅट मला माहिती आहे झाडे सर्वात दयाळू आहे. सो सम इम्पॉर्टंट पॉइंट्स आर हियर. टेल मी the names of parts of the tree that begin with the letters B. B is the letter. Tell me the word beginning with B. That is the part of the tree. झाडाचे एक अवयव आहे. बी पासून सुरू होणारे त्याचे नाव सांगायचं आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल ब्रँच फांदी. दुसरा सेकंड वन इज बार्क झाडाची साल. Next one, give two examples. F, flower, fruits. These two words begin with F. And the third example is T, trunk and twig. These are two parts of the tree. This way you should have understand proper poem by reading more times. By reading again and again you can try and understand the meanings of the poem. Here the given poem, I will tell you the summary once again. The given poem is written by Harry Bain. It conveys the importance of trees to the world. In this poem, you will notice that the poem is in couplets with the last two words of each couplet having similar sounding words as know, grow, cows, bows. The poet says that trees are very kind because amongst other things they harm no one. They only grow and shower blessings on man and animal. The poet talks about the kindness of the trees towards the animal world. They provide shade to the sleepy cows and provide a place for the birds to gather and to build their nest. Trees also help human beings. They provide us with food, wood for building houses, leaves to burn on Halloween festival, and leaves full of beauty and joy in springtime when the trees get fresh leaves and flowers. The trees, being tall, are the first ones to catch the morning beams of the sun, and they are also the last to hold the light before night sets in. It seems as if the trees, in a generous gesture, bring in and hold the life giving sunlight for the world's benefit. And finally, in the next couplet, the trees sing lullaby when the moon is up to put people to sleep after the day's work. When people are tired and sleepy, the trees, like an old loving grandmother, sings them lullaby of sleepy children long ago. This lullaby is rustling of leaves in a gentle breeze. The last line is repetition of the opening line. हे सारांश आहे, या कवितेचा सारांश आहे. झाडे किती उपयोगाला येतात या कवितेच्या माध्यमातून सांगितलेले आहे. झाडे खूप दयाळू आहेत. ते नेहमी आपल्याला मदत करतात, प्राण्यांना सावली देतात, पक्षी घरटे बांधतात आणि पाश्चिमात्य देशामध्ये हॅलोवीन उत्सवाच्या रात्री जाळण्यासाठी त्या झाडांची पाने उपयोगाला येतात. वसंत ऋतूमध्ये नवीन नवीन पालवी देतात. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी कवी म्हणतात, जेव्हा सूर्य पहिल्यांदा येतो, उगवतो, त्यावेळी दिवसाच्या सुरुवातीला ते पहिले असतात. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी कवी म्हणतात, मला माहिती आहे की झाडे सर्वात दयाळू आहेत. फ्रेंड्स, here are some questions. I will ask questions. Try to answer the questions yourself. How do trees serve birds and animals? This is the question from the poem. You can answer the question in your own words. Trees, answer is this: trees provide a place for the birds. Simple answer. And build their nest. They give shade and shelter to animals. The second question is that what do trees offer human being? माणसाला झाडे काय पुरवतात, काय देतात? They give us food, अन्न देतात. They give us fruits, फळे देतात आपल्याला खायला. And medicine, they give us oxygen to breathe. That is very important. And this way